Hi guys, so this is my portfolio. This would be my abstract painting. I honestly really liked this project. This would be my part C, my part B, and my part A. I enjoyed just getting to learn the tools in Photoshop, and it was kind of fun. Not really having any rules and doing what you like. This was one of my favorite projects. Um, this is my Linework project. I really enjoyed this one too. This was probably my favorite Illustrator project. I combined a few pictures here. I added a lot of detail in the dock and things like that. I didn't get to finish all the shading like I wanted to because I ran out of time. But this was probably my best Illustrator project and the one I liked enjoying the most. Here's the letter project. I got the letter L and I chose to draw a llama. This one I thought was really cute and fun too. Not my favorite because I was still getting to know Illustrator, so I kind of struggled here or there, and this project really stressed me out. But I think it came out cute and I like the finish of it. Here's my collage. This one was fun. Again, learning a lot of different things in Photoshop and not really having rules, being able to make things look weird and crazy, because that was honestly the point of this assignment. Um, There's the hands that I took pictures of that I added and layered. Here is my self-portrait. This was honestly my favorite project of all of them. I enjoyed this project a lot, and I think this might be my best one. I spent probably the most time on this project just because it was one that I really enjoyed doing. I added different effects to them. These are the filters. And this was my last one, the GIF one. I honestly struggled with them. My computer wasn't copying properly, so I kind of had to do some weird things last second. But this truly does describe my life since COVID. I've adopted more cats, I fostered cats, and my family has cats of their own too. So this is how I've actually spent my time. And that's the end of my portfolio. I hope you guys liked it.